Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to talk about another very important topic related to video tag, that is poster attribute and track element. Although they are completely different, but still we are learning it together because I want to cover these two topics in this session only. So what is poster attribute? Why do we use it? What are the benefits of it? These all things we will discuss firstly. And then later on we will talk about the track element, like how we can use track element in order to generate the subtitles. Okay, but before we start the session, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released sessions first, because they all are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be very easy for you to understand the ongoing topic. For time being, we are just focusing on the poster attribute, but prior to that you should know what is controls, what are other attribute that we can use with video tag. Clear? So yeah, I think now we are good to start with session. So here you can see I have just noted down the basic HTML code, which include one title in the head section and one heading, which is written as HTML by Sharmit. Now as usual, today also there is one question for all of you. And today's question is, why do we use preload attribute with video tag, and what all possible values are there for preload attribute? Okay, so please do share your knowledge in the comment section for this question so that others can take a reference from it. I think now we are good to move ahead to see how we can use the poster attribute. So let me show you the output first. So it is coming like this, HTML by Sharmit. Now we will put one heading here. So I'll put like this, H2. Here I will write video without poster attribute. Okay. So this is the first thing. We will add that, and maybe we can write here default. Okay. All right. Now we will add the next thing, which is video element. In video element we will write here source. In source we will write src. Src we will write like my video name is podcast.mp4. Remember one thing, whatever video or images you are utilizing for this, make sure it should be in your local, it should be on your current working directory. That means if your program is like wherever your program resides, Session-119.html, in the same location, in the same directory, images and video should be there. Okay, so fine. I think now we can move ahead. So after specifying src, we will set the type. Here I will write video/mp4. These things I am not explaining in detail because already we have discussed this thing multiple times, and for now we are just focusing on the poster attribute. So here I'll write controls and height. So height and width. So I'll write here width. In width we will write 300 pixels. Now you can save it and refresh it. So it is like this. Okay, fine. Now what is poster? Poster is just a thumbnail. So here you can see we have this thumbnail which is showing that this video is something related to welcome to, and it is coming by default, right? If you play this video, let me mute it first. If you play this video, it will come like this. Okay, so what it actually doing, it is capturing the initial screen and considering it as a thumbnail or a poster. But let's say we don't want to use the default one. Instead of that, we want to specify any particular thumbnail or image for this. So how we can do this? So to do this, I'll show you the exact procedure. Here we will write video with poster attribute. Clear? Now we will add video element again, because this time I'm going to show you with poster, although you can add in the above one also, but I want to show you the difference. That's why I'm writing like this. So here I'll write source. In source we will write src, where we will mention podcast.mp4. Then we will set video, not video, the type. In type we will write video/mp4. Clear? After that we will specify here controls. In controls we will also, let's save it and refresh it. So okay, width is missing, so let's set width would be 300 pixels only. Just save it and okay. So now you can see both are same because so far we have not specified the poster here. So let's specify the poster. So to specify poster, we will write here the poster attribute. So simply I will write here poster and the name of the image which I want to use as a poster. So if I want to use my tiger image, so I can use directly, and it is in my same folder where my program resides. There it is showing me the name, suggesting me the name, right? So from here I can select tiger.png. Now if I save this code and refresh my browser, you see the difference clearly. So this is the video where we have set the poster, and this is the by default thing. Clear? So in by default scenario, what it do, like it capture any of the screen and put it here and show it like a poster or thumbnail. But in case of second, where we are utilizing poster, we can explicitly set the picture that we all want to show as the thumbnail. Video will work same, like if I play this video it will go in the same manner, but the initial screen, whenever user load the web page, it will be populated with this poster image. Clear? So this is how we can use poster attribute with HTML videos. Now we talk about the second topic, and today's second topic is, let me put here H2. Second topic is track element in HTML. So what is track element, that we will discuss. So for that we will add one video again because we do need video. So we'll write video, then we will write source. In source we will set src podcast.mp4. Then we will set the type. In type we will write video/mp4. Okay. In video element we will set controls. Then we will set the width would be 300 pixels only, and then we will set the, let me save it and refresh it. It's coming like this. For now I'm not applying any poster here because we just want to learn about the track. So track is an element that we use in order to implement the subtitles. If you want to add subtitles, so if I talk about the definition, so you can simply say the track element in HTML is used to specify text tracks for video and audio element. Text track can include subtitle, caption, description, chapters, or metadata. Okay, the track element is useful for making multimedia content accessible to wider audience, including the user with hearing impairment and or those who need translation. Okay, so in short you can say that it helps us to create the captions, right, and also subtitles, descriptions. Okay, so for that purpose we use. Then how we can use it? So to use this thing you can simply write here track. In track we will write the next thing, which is src, and here we are supposed to provide the vtt file. If you don't know what it is just a file with a title .vtt. As of now there is nothing in my file, I'm just showing you the option. Okay, so likewise I'm providing it subtitles _en.vtt. so underscore is not mandatory, but .vtt is mandatory. Your file should end with a .vtt extension. Then we will write here kind. In kind we have multiple options like captions, chapters, descriptions, metadata, and subtitles. So for now we will select subtitles. Then we will set the src lang. Here we will mention en for English, and then we will set the label. Label also would be English. Now there are many other things that we can specify for sure, but for time being we are just using only these options. Now you can refresh it. Now if you check the above video, I click on these three buttons, three dot, it will show these two options only. Here also two options only, but in third video we have previously we have only two options, but here we have three options which include captions. Okay, so now it enabled us the caption button. Okay, so likewise, like as I mentioned that there is nothing in my file at the moment, so I'm not able to show you any caption for the video. But yeah, you can try to do practice on this and just figure out like how we can set the video titles. Clear? So today in this session mainly we discussed how we can use poster attribute and track element in HTML. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.